In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft an engaging LinkedIn profile summary in just 5 minutes. Creating a compelling summary on your LinkedIn profile can significantly boost your online presence and open new networking opportunities. Let's dive in. The first step is to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you can sign in using your Google account or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. LinkedIn places a high value on security, so don't be surprised if you're asked to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once you're logged in and on the main feed, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile photo. This little picture is your gateway to accessing your LinkedIn profile and making any necessary edits. Click on your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile. This action will take you to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all the information you have shared on your LinkedIn, from your experience and skills to endorsements and more. Now let's get down to the reason we're here, adding a summary to your profile. On your profile page, look for the option that says Add a Summary. It's essential to take a moment here to consider what you want your summary to convey. Your summary is your chance to tell your professional story in your own words. It should highlight your professional background, key achievements, and your career objectives. Once you click Add a Summary, you'll be taken to a page where you can type in your summary. Take your time here to craft a summary that truly reflects your professional persona. Ideally, your summary should be a blend of your professional achievements and your personal aspirations. It should showcase what drives you in your career and what you're passionate about in your field. When you're happy with your summary, scroll down to find the Save button. Click on it to save your newly crafted summary to your profile. It's a simple step, but it's crucial because it ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. You've successfully added a summary to your LinkedIn profile, and you're now one step closer to making a stronger impact with your online presence. Remember, your LinkedIn summary is a living document. Feel free to come back and tweak it as your career evolves and as you gain more insights into what makes you stand out professionally. That's all for now. I hope this guide has been helpful in creating a LinkedIn profile summary that showcases your professional story beautifully. Remember, the key to a great summary is authenticity and clarity. Keep it true to who you are, and you'll surely grab the attention of peers and potential employers alike.